Derivation and integration formulas. Today, we are going to discuss some derivation and integration formulas. The first is the derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1. This is the first topic in differential calculus. The derivative of x is 1. So the integral of dx is equal to x plus c. Then the integral of u du is equal to u plus c. From this, we have the integral of a u dx is equal to a times the integral of u dx, where a is a coefficient of u. Example, find the integral of 3 dx, and this is equal to 3 times the integral of dx, and the integral of dx is x, so the final answer is 3x plus c. An important formula in derivation and integration is the power rule. The power rule of finding the derivatives of u to the power n is equal to n times u to the power n minus 1. On the other hand, to find the integral of u to the power n is equal to u to the power n plus 1 all over n plus 1. In which n must not be to equal negative 1. Example, find the derivative of x cubed dx. Rn is 3, so this is equal to x to the power 3 plus 1 all over 3 plus 1, and 3 plus 1 is 4, so this is equal to x to the exponent 4 all over 4, or 1/4 x to the power of 4. Another rule is the sum rule, in which the derivatives of u plus v with respect to x is equal to the derivative of u with respect to x plus the derivative of v with respect to x, or du plus v over x is equal to du over dx plus dv over dx. On the other hand, the integral of u plus v dx is equal to the integral of u dx plus the integral of v dx. Example, find the integral of 2x plus 3 dx. This is equal to the integral of 2x dx plus the integral 3 dx. This is equal to 2x to the power 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1 plus 3x plus c. 1 plus 1 is 2, so cancel 2 in the numerator and the denominator, so the final answer is x squared plus 3x plus c. Another formula is for the logarithmic functions. The derivative of ln u is equal to 1 over u du. Doing the opposite, the integral of 1 over u dx is equal to ln u plus c. Find the integral of 3 over x dx. This is equal to 3 ln x plus c. You cannot use power rule with x in the denominator, since it has an exponent negative 1, and negative 1 plus 1 in the denominator will make the whole thing undefined.